Hello, dear parents. Greetings and welcome to Silver Oaks. Congratulations on being part of Character Before Competence journey. Through this orientation video, I would like to take you through how learning will happen during online school, your role, and how children will learn, as this is the most important thing right now. I remember my interaction with the parents who wanted their children to get admission in Silver Oaks in the month of November last year. The common thing that stood out for most of the parents about school was our sixth grade students who gave them the tour of the school. All of them wanted their children to be like our icons, as they were so impressed. And majority of them said that they wanted their child to have a strong character. How do we build character in Silver Oaks? We are building character through our cultures. And what are these cultures? To know more about it, please refer to the calendar, like I have it here. You must have got this calendar along with the book set that you purchased. These cultures align all of us at school. We follow it and teach the same to our students. Now, keeping our culture to learn in mind, we have been thoughtful of the material that has been prepared for online school. Every topic is scaffolded in a way that it is easier for children to build upon their existing knowledge and construct new understandings. The length of the video is limited to keeping the age group and attention span in mind. The social interactions are an important part of learning, and this is taken care of through Google Meetings every day. However, the duration of the meeting is not very long, again to minimize the screen time. Please note, teachers will use these meetings for clarifying doubts, teaching, recapitulating topics, and reading a story perhaps. The online school with timetable is to ensure the continuity of formal learning and a routine for children. And we are confident that children will adapt to it in no time. The topics will be taught through the videos, class task, evening task, extra links, Google Meet. In the early primary wing, our main focus is to teach children the reading, writing, vocabulary, number sense, and basic operations. Some parents are worried about how will my child cope up? She's too small. To which I will say, let's give it a try first. I feel all of us are anxious and unsure because this is new to us. Most of the concerns are because of that. Another question is, if my child will need support? Yes, they will. Children will need support. Some would need more support than others. My sense is that children will become familiar with the platform in no time, as they will be interacting and learning with the help of their teachers the culture to work. I work independently and without reminders will be reiterated by us. This will help in making children responsible and independent. How can you support your child? Teach them how to log in and steps to follow to watch the video. Seeing class task, evening task, the Google Meet link, taking picture of the task and turning it in. I am sure within few days they will understand the steps and routine very well. As teachers are going to meet them every day, children will look forward to completing their tasks. Another worry parents have is that I can't sit with my child the whole day, for various reasons of course. To which I would suggest that you can help your child every day after you come back from work. You can access the resources anytime as per your convenience. The point is that there are all kind of ways to make this possible. This way of learning is no replacement for our regular school, but thanks to technology that we have some alternative. Will it be easy for all of us? Maybe not, but it is possible. We are committed to ensure that there is continuity of learning for our accounts. Please remember, learning is an organic process. We all learn from our surroundings. You may not believe this, but children have learned a lot during this lockdown time. Learning is inevitable. Children learn from their parents, from TV, laptop, phones, any resource you provide them. Whatever they watch, experience, hear, they absorb, especially in early years. I'm sure you still have apprehensions, questions. Do not worry. We will guide you through every step. And my request to you is keep communication channels open. By dropping an email to me if you have any doubts, you can send a message to the homeroom teacher. You can call up Miss Sirisha, our HSRM, on the number which is displayed on the screen. Let us know how it is working for you. We will improvise as we go along. And when school reopens, we are going to invite you again for another orientation. Until then, take care. All the best.